Alright, we need to talk about Area 51. Is the government hiding something? Are aliens real? What really happens inside this top secret military base? Today, we're going to talk about one of the most mysterious places on Earth where truth meets conspiracy. And trust me, some of this is gonna blow your mind. First things first, what even is Area 51? So Area 51 is a top secret military base in Nevada hidden inside the desert. The US government kept its existence a secret until 2013 when the CIA finally admitted that the place was real. But they claimed that it's only used to test new aircrafts. If this was true, the big question is, why all the secrecy? We still don't have any idea what happens inside. The place is so off limits to public, heavily guarded and surrounded with motion sensors. This place is so locked down that even the airspace above it is restricted. Security personnel are authorized to use deadly force against trespassers, which makes the public think that it is home to something far stranger. Alright, now let's get into the juicy stuff, the theories. Why do so many people think there are aliens inside Area 51? Let's start with one of the biggest claims made by a man named Bob Lazar in 1989, where he claimed that he worked at a secret military site near Area 51 called the S4. Here's what he said.
That in the late 1980s, the US government had recovered alien spacecraft, several of them, and the technology in the Nevada desert that they were keeping quiet and analyzing.
He said the government was studying alien spacecraft there, reverse engineering their technology. According to Lazar, he saw 9 different UFOs in the base, and they were using an element called the element 115. At that time, no such element existed, but years later, scientists did discover a version of element 115. So, was he telling the truth? Another major theory is that Area 51 is hiding evidence from the Roswell UFO crash in 1947. The government first claimed that a flying disc crashed in Roswell, New Mexico, but quickly changed the story to a weather balloon. Suspicious, right? Many believe that the government recovered an alien spacecraft and moved the wreckage and maybe even the bodies to Area 51 for secret research. And get this, some witnesses even claim that they saw strange small bodies being taken away. But still, many experts believe that Area 51 is just where the US tests experimental aircraft like the SR-71 Blackbird and the B-2 stealth bomber. Some UFO sightings might just be secret planes that look otherworldly. So back in 2019, the internet went wild over Storm Area 51 event. A joke Facebook post turned out into a massive movement where millions said they would Naruto run into the base and they would see the aliens. But it didn't go as planned, of course. Only 150 people actually went to the base and only a few of them were arrested. But the event itself proved something, that people are obsessed with finding out if aliens are real. Even if aliens aren't at Area 51, could they be real? Here's some actual evidence. In 2020, the US government declassified videos of unidentified flying objects confirmed by Navy pilots. They moved in ways no human-made aircraft could. Government may be hiding the truth because they fear mass panic. Think about it. If people found that we are not alone, would we be able to handle it? it would change everything. Our religions, our understanding of the universe, and maybe even our own sense of identity. But mathematically speaking, it's almost impossible that we're the only life in the universe. There are over 100 billion galaxies in the universe. If even 1% of those have planets like Earth, the chances of intelligent life existing somewhere out there are pretty high. So, what do you think? Are aliens hiding in Area 51? Is the government keeping secret from us? Or is this all just a science fiction? I want to hear your thoughts. Do you believe in aliens? Drop a comment down below to let me know. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you all next week.